went shopping today and picked up a turkey at Safeway. Usually we shop around Walmart. We even go out on base at the commissary. But we decided to go ahead and go over to Safeway, and I'll tell you why. We picked up this turkey for 87 cents a pound. Now, I remember when turkeys were a lot more inexpensive than that, but I'm not going to tell you because I don't want to date myself. And anyway, what I'm telling you is you can still pick up a turkey. This one here, if you paid full price, was $39, $2 a pound, but we picked it up for 87 cents a pound. So essentially, this turkey, which weighed 19.6 pounds, only cost us $17.05. So in reality, roughly a 19.5 pound turkey cost us $17.05. That's not too bad because just shortly before that, they were $1.19 a pound. So thank goodness for sales. Shop when there are sales. Don't buy anything unless it's on sale. And I understand the day's coming where nothing will be on a sale or at a discount. So thought I'd let you know, at Safeway, 87 cents a pound, and they may even go a little bit cheaper. I don't know, but the closer we get to Thanksgiving, they may go cheaper. I don't know, but people are buying them up and they're going fast. Thought I'd let you know.